In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how we made $95,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I'm gonna share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to start making some money with affiliate marketing like this. And I'm gonna show you step by step for beginners how you can sign up to Fiverr affiliate website like this and you have an account like this one. I will share with you everything you need to start this affiliate marketing business step by step, so you don't need to buy any courses or pay for any paid courses or coaching program or something like this. You just need to watch this video and make sure to watch this video until the end, because I'm gonna share so much more information about affiliate marketing business. Okay, and as you can see over here, I made $95,270 easy money. It's all profit just using free traffic without investing any money. And as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $95,270. Okay, so let's get started. So what you will do first, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr like this. Just search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, as you can see over here. So what you will do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start. So, and let me show you why I'm saying this is the best. Okay, why I said this is the best. As you can see, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate profile. What you will do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Before we do that, let's scroll down, click over here on see commission, and as you can see over here commission plan, if you scroll down, you can see over here that you can earn up to $150 if just one person buy service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. If you just can get one person per day who will buy a service from your affiliate link, you will make $150 per day. Okay, so that's really a lot of money. So let's go back to show you how you can sign up to this website. Click over here on join now, and it's gonna take you to this page. As you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, and your password. Account type, make it private, and scroll down. You need to answer a few questions over here and choose your country and choose your language. And if you have Skype, put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy. Anyone can sign up. It's super easy, and they will accept you. After you finish, you will be accepted to this website because your account will be ready after you finish your sign up process. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page like this. Now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. And this is one of my profitable services that I was promoting, so I'm gonna share this service with you. Click over here on search for vision board. Okay, search for vision board. Why I choose this service? Because New Year is so close and a lot of people will be searching for how to create a vision board for the new year, for 2024. Okay, so this will be an interesting and trending service that you can promote on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. So just scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So what you will do next, you need to choose a good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, and top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So let me choose, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has 5-star, a lot of reviews, and he is selling this service starting from $10. So this is really good. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. As you can see, what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and it's gonna take you to this page. So I already have this page ready. You will click here and you need to put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, just click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. It's easy and simple. If you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, just go to Google, search for Pinterest like this, and click on the first link over here. So you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and make sure to open a Pinterest business account, not personal account. After you finish, click on home feed, click on create pin, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. What you need to do, you need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote. So what you will do, you will go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr and you will click on his picture like this. Okay, and double click, and you need to save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it Vision. I'm gonna name it just Vision, and I will click over here. I will go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, so let me find this picture. Here you go. Click on your picture, click on open, and your picture will be like this on Pinterest. So what you will do next, you will scroll down. You need to put here title, description, and your affiliate link. Let's start with the title. I will just go back to this seller page on Fiverr. I will copy his title like this, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this title over here, description. I will just go back to this profile page. You are just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, so you can use those information from those sellers. Okay, I will copy this part to show you like this. Go back to Pinterest description and put this description here like this. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. So I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account and I will copy my affiliate link from here. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this affiliate link here. Scroll down, click over here on choose a board, and if you are new, click on create a board and you can create as many as you want. And I already have a lot. You just need to give it a name. It's easy. I'm gonna choose this one for example. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, those are very important in Pinterest, so make sure to use those tags. So how we can find those tags? Go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, just keep scrolling down and you should see related tags. Okay, those are the keywords that you can use. I'm gonna copy this one. You can also use the keyword that are in your title, okay, like this. I will copy this keyword here from my title, and after you finish, click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. As you can see, it's published. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. And you are promoting this service that will be interesting for a lot of people to buy. Okay, because the new year is so close, a lot of people will be searching for how to create a vision board for 2024, and you will be interested to buy this service and create a vision board for this new year. Okay, so that's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. This is my method, guys, that I use, and of course the commission that I show you in my Fiverr affiliate account. It's a lot of hard work and consistency and a lot of time, and keep promoting a lot of services on Pinterest and Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. So in this video I show you this method with Pinterest. You can also go to my channel and check my other videos. I show you how you can promote a lot of services, profitable services. I show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link, and so much more. So just feel free to check my YouTube channel. I share everything for free, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you.